Welcome to another video. This is Miss Lonnie Renee. If this is your first time tuning in, hit that subscribe button. And this video is called A Taste of Africa in the D. The D stands for Detroit. It's nice to see the brothers and sisters from the Motherland, Africa, bringing a style and flavor to the D, from selling their clothes, accessories, art, and of course food from Jamaica, Caribbean, and of course that American soul. So come on and let's enjoy the video. There was a great show that night of stars, and I'm quite sure the show was on point even though I didn't stick around to see it. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I enjoy putting it together. Subscribe to the channel, share, like, and comment. I'll see you in the next video. As always, be good to yourself. Take care. Be blessed.